Hello traders, you are welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to step up your trading game, learning how to use cTrader might be exactly what you need. Okay, so whether you are new to Forex trading or you have some experience under your belt, cTrader offers an intuitive platform with powerful features. So in this video, we are just going to walk through everything you need to know about how to trade in cTrader. Okay, let us get started. Now, before we dive in, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future trading tutorials. Now, let us begin with setting up your cTrader account. Okay, once you have downloaded and installed the platform, we have talked about that in a previous video. If you don't know how to download the platform or how to install it, you can check out a previous video which we talked about on downloading and installing the cTrader platform. Okay, so once you're done with that, you would obviously have to log in with your details. You log in. Once you're done logging in with your details, then you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface with easy to navigate menus. All right, on the left side, you're going to find your watch list. You can see the watch list right here, where you can add your preferred currency pairs, commodities, or stocks. This helps you to keep track of the instruments that you trade most often. Okay, in the center, the main chart area, shows the price movement of the asset that you are interested in. Okay, if I want to open Bitcoin, for example, BTC USD, you can see, just click on that and you can see that the chart is going to appear right there. Whatever currency pair you want to trade, Euro USD, you can see it's just going to appear right there. Now, if you want to monitor multiple charts at the same time, just click on this plus button, and of course, once you click on the plus button, you can click on whatever chart that you want. So you can see right here now. Okay, I'm just going to change this to Euro USD, right? Okay, so now I have Euro USD open, I have Bitcoin open, BTC USD. If I want another chart open, I'm just gonna so now I have Euro USD, BTC USD, and gold XAU USD open. So if you want multiple charts open at the same time, you can just do that. Okay, you can also adjust the chart by zooming in or out to get a closer or broader view of the market direction, right? So you can of course just use your mouse and zoom, or you can even use this button up here, right? Zoom in and zoom out, right? Super easy. All right, now you can actually widen this. All right, you can enlarge it. Yeah, you can actually enlarge it. Okay, you might be wondering, are you going to be trading with such a small window like this? No, of course you can enlarge it, all right, to see a wider view and all of that. Okay, and if you want to add charts right here, of course you can do that. Okay, in your enlarged view, you can do that in your enlarged view. Okay, but let's just get back to this. All right, now at the bottom, you're going to see your trade execution panel. You can see that here. Okay, you can see it gives you access to your open positions, your positions that are open, your orders, your history, your price alerts, your transactions, your journal, and algo. Okay, so those are relevant information. If you prefer a more minimal layout, cTrader lets you rearrange these panels or even hide some of them to create a workspace that fits your style. All right, okay, so now that your setup is ready, let us just talk about how to analyze the charts and use indicators to guide your trades. Now, the cTrader platform gives you the flexibility to use a variety of chart types. Now, let's just go back to this. It gives you the flexibility to use a variety of chart types, including the bar charts, candlestick charts, the line chart, the dot chart, the area chart, HLC chart. Wow, you have a wide range of options. Okay, so for those who like more advanced charting, you can opt for whatever chart that you prefer. All right, you can choose whatever that you prefer to visualize price movements more clearly for you. Okay, so to switch between your chart types, you can just simply right click on your chart area, and then you select your chart type, and you know uh, select whichever one that fits your style, or you can come directly to this point and select that. Okay, so whichever option you prefer, if it's coming here, if it is right clicking on your chart, whichever one that you prefer. Okay, now to add indicators, just have to come here. All right, click on this indicators tab, and then you can find an indicator right here. If you want to type out the indicator, yes, you can do that, or you can just go through the process of selecting whether it's a trend indicator you want to find, or if it's an oscillator or volatility, or whatever indicator you want to find, or you can just search for the indicator right here in the search bar. Okay, it's super easy. Okay, so for example, if we want to maybe we want to use the moving average, you can just select it, and can modify the parameters for that if you wish, and then okay, and there we go. We can see that it has been added to the chart, right? It has been added to the chart, so it's super easy. You can also drag and drop additional tools such as trend lines and Fibonacci retracements directly onto the chart to perform your technical analysis. So it is really a nice experience. Okay, so now if you want to place a trade on the cTrader, of course you have to do your analysis first, right? So once you've analyzed the market and you are ready to make a move, here's how to do it. It's super easy. You just click on new order, the new order button at the top left, and then you can either choose a market order. If you want a market order, or a limit order, or stop order, or stop limit order, you can select whichever one you wish. All right, so when you have selected whichever one you wish, then you fill in the entries accordingly. Okay, for example, if you're using a market order, you can just simply choose the buy or sell option. You enter your lot size. Here's for your lot size. You enter your position size, and then you hit the buy button or the sell button, and your trade is going to be executed immediately. Okay, but if you are using a pending order, you can select whether it's a limit order you want, or a stop order, or a stop limit order, and you just fill in all the information accordingly. Okay, input the price at which you want your order to get triggered. You set if you wish to have an expiry date for the order, you can do that. You can select an expiry date right there, set your stop loss and your take profit if you want to have stop loss and take profit, which I am going to recommend that you have. Okay, ensure you set your stop loss and your take profit all right, and you can select if you want a trailing stop. Okay, if you want a trailing stop, you can also select that option. All right, so it's really a nice experience. Okay, yeah, so basically that is it. That is how to execute a trade right there on cTrader. And even after executing your trade, yes, you can also of course modify your trade. Maybe you want to close half of your trade, or you want to modify the stop loss or take profits and all of that. You can actually do all those right on the cTrader platform. So it is super easy. All right, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your account balance and margin levels when you have trades running, okay, so that you are not overexposed to risk. Okay, so this is just like an important information. All right, so now let us just wrap up with how you can customize your cTrader workspace to make it your own. Now it's important to remember that the cTrader layout is fully customizable. You can resize your chart windows. You can move the order panel. You can yeah, you can do a lot of modifications. You can save your workspace. For example, if you have done some modifications on your platform, you can actually save. Let us talk about saving a template. All right, so you can see save current workspace. So if you have done some modifications on your workspace and you want to save it, for future purpose, you can actually save your workspace. All right, you can save your current workspace for next time. So this means that whether you're scalping, swing trading, or doing more in-depth analysis, you can have a layout that suits your trading style and approach. Okay, do not forget to set up templates for your chart indicators as well. Okay, you can quickly apply them to any new chart by going to file and save to template. For example, let's say you have done some modifications there, you can save your template, right? Maybe I've added a lot of indicators and I've done some modifications to my colors and all of that. You can just save your template, okay? So that next time when you add a new chart, you can just load your template to the new chart, okay? So that is it. Now you know how to trade in cTrader like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more helpful trading tips and tutorials. Do you have any questions about cTrader or how to use it effectively? Drop them in the comments below and let us have a conversation. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.